The world of digital assets is full of money-making opportunities, and, once you make acquaintance with this new thriving market of fintech, you'll recognize this fact even more. Crypto staking is one of those opportunities, but the ways of utilizing it are numerous in number. Now which one would you will clearly depend on how much time you are willing to invest in the entire process. In this video, I will be sharing a highly promising staking opportunity that has the potential to be a game changer for cryptocurrency investors. Be sure to watch the entire video to learn more about it. To put it simply, the process of staking enables you to earn rewards for staking a part of cryptocurrency holdings to vouch for the accuracy of transactions happening on an underlying exchange. It is very similar to earning dividends on your holdings in other asset markets. So, let's start with the basics. Crypto staking is one of the most essential technologies you should keep in mind that crypto networks use it. And, blockchains are decentralized, meaning that it doesn't involve any middlemen like banks to validate a transaction. There are ideally two methods to validate transitions on a blockchain network. 1. Proof of stake revolves around staking, example, Ethereum, Cardano, etc., and 2. Proof of work involves mining with extensive usage of computers and electricity, example, Bitcoin, Litecoin, etc. Staking is a way to prevent fraud and faults in a transaction. Users choose to participate in voting to accept a proposed block, thereby putting their holdings as stake. In other words, it can be taken as an incentive to play by the rules. Though, it is not always a profit you receive. At times, when the proposed block is found to have some wrong information, you'll lose some of your stake. This process is known as slashing. Now there are several ways to get involved in the staking process. 1. Through an exchange. This is the easy-go method if you are looking to avoid the technicalities for yourself. Using this method, the service provider will stake your crypto for you. Obviously, they'll be charging a certain amount of fees for the same, but this will make your work way a lot easier. 2. Joining a pool. So, if you can't find an exchange suiting your needs, you can always join a pool operated by another individual. For this, the first requisite is to know how to use your wallet so as to connect your holdings to the validator's pool. Usually, to promote a better flow of decentralization, people often delegate to validators with low voting power. 3. Becoming a validator. Well, this option is only for those who are well versed in this space. You'll need to set up your own system, with proper computing equipment and software. You'll also need to download the entire block history of that blockchain. It is also not quite pocket-friendly, as it requires an investment of at least 32 Ethereum. Using third-party staking will not have such prerequisites. Now, while all of this sounds very attractive, always keep in mind that nothing in the crypto world comes without a risk. Here are some of the risks associated with staking. This will help you clearly evaluate both sides. The volatility of crypto. This is a ceaseless risk, bound to affect your standing whether or not you decide to involve in the staking process. So, always keep this factor in mind. Lockup periods. Till now, you already know that it is a long-term investment strategy, so indulge only if you have the time and patience. Expecting short-term outcomes may not exactly help you. Slashing is an antonym for rewards. As mentioned earlier, slashing is a result of you validating a transaction without cross-checking the information. This is a penalty you may have to incur, even for some non-intentional human errors. Now that we've covered the fundamentals of staking, I am excited to share a prime staking opportunity with you. I would like to introduce you to Ultron, ULX coin, which holds great potential to address some of the challenges within the blockchain industry. Allow me to provide a brief overview of Ultron. Ultron solves technical and economic problems by successively implementing a bridge between centralized and decentralized solutions. Ultron's solution is cost-effective, easy to understand, and capable of delivering the expectations of passive gain generation of a wide and ever-growing pool of digital assets holders while mitigating risks. No matter the economic background and technological understanding, everyone is able to participate in the future of the digital asset market. Ultron's innovation stems from leveraging the technology of the most scalable, secure, cost-efficient, and developer-friendly blockchains and crypto projects with the implementation of a unique crowdfunding solution, a staking hub NFT. By using a single native Layer 1, L1, ULX Coin, the users are able to access a wide variety of decentralized digital asset management services and at the same time, keep aligned the ever-growing IT developing resources in a very stimulating ecosystem. Stakeholders do not only receive a very appealing APR, but they will also be part of a revolutionary movement of inclusion in the fast-evolving and growing digital asset market. Ultron is a blockchain that successfully manages to solve the blockchain trilemma by providing, at the same time, speed of transaction, security, and significant scalability. Furthermore, our blockchain technology leverages a leaderless proof-of-stake (POS) protocol and asynchronous Byzantine fault-tolerant consensus mechanism. To learn more about the benefits of Ultron and how you can earn 73% to 107% APY in staking rewards for the next 5 years, be sure to visit the link provided in the description. Pro tip: be 100% sure of what you are doing if you are planning to stake your money outside an exchange. This will specifically require some in-depth research and technical knowledge. If not done properly, you may lose a lot of money. If you found this video to be informative and helpful, please consider giving it a like and sharing it with others who may benefit from it. Additionally, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to cryptocurrency opportunities. Thank you for watching.